Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to listen to your microphone on Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. Of course, if you are a Windows 10 user and you'd like to go into your Windows 11, you can just go and do it right now for free just through your settings. Of course, you can run the installation or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using your PC in the meanwhile. Your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any files or apps for you, so don't mind that. So that will not going to be a problem for you. And of course, once the download or the installation is finished, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. And once you actually downloaded everything, or once you open your PC, you will find a recovery point on your PC, on your settings, of course. If you want to go back into your Windows 10, if you're maybe facing some issues or you just like Windows 10, but I bet that you will stay on Windows 11, especially if you get used to it. So, as we said in the beginning of video, is we would like to listen to our microphone on the Windows 11. So the first thing that I would like to do is just go and open my settings. Just going to press at Windows I. That will open my settings. Of course, that will work for you as well, but you can just go and open your settings however you want, even with your regular way. Once you're here, make sure to go into System and click at Sounds here option. And once you are here, you'll have to go into this Advanced option. Of course, just scroll down, Advanced option, and click at More Sound Settings. That should open this for you. You'd like just to go into your recording and choose the mic that you are using right now. Of course, just go and right click on it and click at Properties, or just left click and click at Properties here. Once you're there, click at listen and make sure to check this button, which is listen to this device, and apply this settings. Of course, now you will start listening to your microphone and you will be good to go. Of course, if you want to remove it, just check this and apply and OK, and you'll be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.